Today we're showcasing our brickified version of our Intel Core Ultra Series 3 processor, codenamed Panther Lake. As you can see right over here, our brick model built version of Panther Lake highlights main components of the actual processor, such as the CPU, the NPU, and the GPU, which are all highlighted here. The reason why they have lights is because it showcases off of the software running on our Dell XPS 14, all of the usage rates by percentage of how much it's being utilized. So, for example, if you take a look at the software right here, if I am playing around in our software model, zooming in and out, you can see that it's using a little bit more of the graphics and less of the CPU, right? And now, as a reminder too, your NPU isn't being utilized right now because it's a background processing unit, but something to showcase too is, for example, if you need to blur a background in your team meetings and calls, if you open your camera and you turn on the blur effect, you can now see that the NPU is being utilized even more. And if I were to close the software, you can see that the NPU will start to diminish from there. What's great about this model is it showcases and highlights the Intel Core processors on AI PCs just like this one, highlighting, of course, the amazing battery life, the speedy and on-the-go delivery of fantastic graphics, and even more as well. This has been Kevin Benjamin Chen at Intel, and we hope to see you guys next time.